Reports say former Supreme Court Judge Justice AK Ganguly resigns as the head of the West Bengal Human Rights Commission following charges of sexual harassment of a woman law intern. Setting at rest the speculation about withdrawing the criminal cases against in the wake of Muzaffarnagar riots, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav says the cases being reviewed, not withdrawn. Aam Aadmi Party distances itself from the AAP leader Prashant Bhushan's comments on deployment of army in Jammu and Kashmir. After huge political uproar, Bhushan says Kashmir is an integral part of India. AAP-led government suspends 3 officials of Delhi Jal Board and ships around 800 others in a bid to streamline its service delivery mechanism. Delhi government says Delhi's power distribution companies can even lose license if they refuse CAG audit. Delhi's discoms had opposed CAG's audit. Twelfth Pravasi Bhartiya Diwas begins in New Delhi. Pravasi Bhartiya Diwas, Malaysian Minister for Natural Resources G. Palanival to be the chief guest on the occasion. Justice M.B. Shah Commission on Illegal Mining in Odisha holds 70 top companies including SAIL, Tata and Birla responsible for violating environmental laws, says iron ore worth over 45,000 crore mined illegally. Mumbai police probing the 5,600 rupees National Spot Exchange Limited payment crisis, files charge sheet against 5 arrested accused, including the Spot Exchange's former CEO Anjani Sinha. Supreme Court says calling judges Lord, Lordship and Your Honour not mandatory, asserts judges can be addressed in a respectful and dignified manner. Supreme Court directs Centre to appoint National Regulator for overseeing forest policy implementation, asks Centre to comply the order by 31st of March. Government proposes to launch a new scheme to impart functional literacy to 1 crore Muslim adults in the age group of 15 plus. Skill development program for minority girls also to be launched. India and Japan decide to strengthen defence consultation and cooperation, including maritime security. Japan's defence minister holds discussion with Indian leadership. External Affairs Ministry begins accepting statements or passbooks of certain public sector banks as one of the documents required for providing address proof by an applicant to obtain a passport. The body of a newborn girl, which was supposed to be preserved in the mortuary of a Delhi hospital, was found lying in a bio-waste truck outside its premises. Delhi government orders probe. All the 9 dead bodies recovered by Dimapur police on the night of 3rd of this month have been identified and all confirmed to be Karbi people from Karbi Anglong district of Assam. In Bangladesh, after securing 2/3 majority in parliamentary polls, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina appeals to her rival BNP to shun terror policy. UN, US and UK call for re-election. And United States braces for one of the worst winter storms in decades. Temperature dipped a record low. Authorities call situation extremely dangerous. In an unprecedented move, China publicly destroys 6.1 tons of confiscated ivory to shed its image as the world's biggest market for smuggled elephant tusks. German Chancellor Angela Merkel suffers a pelvis fracture in a ski accident during her holiday in Switzerland. The Chancellor has been advised to take bed rest at least for 3 weeks.
Young shuttler Aditya Joshi from Madhya Pradesh becomes the first Indian male junior badminton player to be ranked top in the world. Aditya gets the #1 slot in January rankings of the World Badminton Federation.